Hello friends, welcome to another video of operation of KUKA robot. Let's continue from the axis specific jogging with the jog keys. Precondition: the jog mode jog keys is active. Operating mode T1. Procedure: select axis are the coordinate system for the jog keys. Set jog override. Hold down the enabling switch. Axis A1 to A6 are displayed next to the jog keys. Press the plus or minus jog key to move an axis in the positive or negative direction. The position of the robot during jogging can be displayed. Select display actual position in the main menu. Cartesian jogging with the jog keys. Precondition: the jog mode jog key is active. Operating mode T1. Tool and base have been selected. Procedure: select world, base or tool as the coordinate system for the jog keys. Second, set jog override. Third, hold down the enabling switch. The following designations are displayed next to the jog keys: XYZ for the linear motions along the axis of the selected coordinate system, ABC for the rotational motions about the axis of the selected coordinate system. Press the plus or minus jog key to move the robot in the positive or negative direction. The position of the robot during jogging can be displayed. Select display actual position in the main menu. Configuring the space mouse. Procedure: open the jogging options window and select the mouse tab. Mouse setting group. Dominant checkbox. Activate or deactivate dominant mode as desired. Option box. Select whether the TCP is to be moved using traditional motions, rotational motions or both. Option box. Close the jogging options window. Description: mouse setting. Dominant checkbox. Depending on the dominant mode, the space mouse can be used to move just one axis or several axes simultaneously. Checkbox active. Description: dominant mode is activated. Only the coordinate axis with the greatest deflection of the space mouse is moved. Inactive. Dominant mode is deactivated. Depending on the axis selection, either 3 or 6 axes can be moved simultaneously. 6T. The robot can be moved by pulling, pushing, rotating or tilting the space mouse. The following motions are possible with Cartesian jogging: translation motions in the X, Y and Z direction, rotational motions about the X, Y and Z axis, XYZ. The robot can only be moved by pulling or pushing the space mouse. The following motions are possible with the Cartesian jogging: translation motions in the XYZ directions. ABC. The robot can only be moved by rotating or tilting the space mouse. The following motions are possible with Cartesian jogging: rotational motions about the XYZ axis. Next is defining the alignment of the space mouse. Description: the functioning of the space mouse can be adapted to the location of the user so that the motion direction of the TCP correspond to the deflection of the space mouse. The location of the user is specified in degrees. The reference point for the specification in degrees is the junction box on the base frame. The position of the robot arm or axis is irrelevant. Default setting 0 degree. This corresponds to a user standing opposite the junction box. Precondition: operating mode T1. Procedure: open the jog options window and select the KCP position tab. Defining the alignment of the space mouse. Drag the KCP to the position corresponding to the location of the user in 45-degree steps. Close the jog options window. Switching to automatic external mode automatically resets the alignment of the space mouse to 0 degree. Cartesian jogging with the space mouse. Precondition: the jog mode space mouse is active. Operating mode T1. Tool and base have been selected. The space mouse is configured. The alignment of the space mouse has been defined. Procedure: select world, base or tool as the coordinate system for the space mouse. Set jog override. Hold down the enabling switch. Move the robot in the desired direction using the space mouse. The position of the robot during jogging can be displayed. Select display actual position in the main menu. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll continue from incremental jogging.